So you've got the DJI Osmo Action 6 and you're wondering how to format the internal storage and the memory card that you've got in there for extra storage. Let's go ahead and show you how. Now the first thing I want to mention is formatting the storage on your DJI Osmo Action 6 will delete all the footage. So whether that's on your internal storage or your MicroSD card, it'll delete that footage. So make sure it is backed up before you do this. If I tap here on the left and tap in the corner here, we can see I've got footage on my MicroSD card as well as my internal storage. I've got footage there as well. So we're going to be showing you how to format both of them. So do make sure that is backed up. Now from our main screen here, what we're going to do is swipe down from the top, and in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a little settings icon. It looks like a nut. You can go ahead and tap on that. That's going to load up your main settings for the DJI Osmo Action 6. Now scroll down to pretty much the very bottom. We're looking for the storage option right there. It's not quite at the bottom, but it's closer to the bottom. You can go ahead and tap on storage. And this will show you how much storage you have on your internal storage as well as your microSD card if you have one installed. But there's a storage button here off to the right. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. And this is where we can format our internal storage as well as our SD card. So you can pick whichever one you want to format. So we'll start with the internal storage. It says swipe to format internal storage. Now again, remember, this will delete all the footage on your internal storage. So make sure that's backed up. We'll go ahead and swipe that across. It's going to start formatting and it says format successful. Now that might take a little bit longer if you've got more footage on there. And we can do the same thing for the SD card as well. So swipe to format the SD card. Again, make sure everything's backed up. If you're good to go, swipe along, formatting, and it says format successful. And really it's that simple to format the internal storage and the memory card here in your DJI Osmo Action 6.